Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Dusty here from thinktutorial.com. I'm going to be showing you today how to withdraw money from your Coinbase account to your bank account or your PayPal account, whatever verified payment method that you have set up on your Coinbase account. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Now, this is going to be exactly the same on both the desktop version, which you see here, and the phone version. The only difference is they look different because they're smaller or bigger screens. But what you basically want to do is log into your Coinbase account and then go up in the upper right-hand corner where you see your name, click on that, and then go to settings. Now under settings, you're going to see your payment methods. Now, obviously, in order to withdraw, you have to have a payment method to send it from. So you're obviously sending funds to the account to buy the cryptocurrency, and you're going to need one of these methods to send it to. You can send it to your PayPal account, you can send it to your bank account, whichever one you so desire. The next thing you want to do is go to your portfolio. So click on or tap on portfolio on the mobile device, and then under asset, look for your currency. So whatever your currency is. So for me, it's US dollar. For you, it may be something else. So go to your currency here. And then as you can see here, you will have how much of a balance you have of that currency. Now, if you don't have that currency, if your balance is zero, you will not be able to transfer or withdraw anything from your account. So you need to sell something, okay, or have money that you've transferred here and you're not going to use in order to have a balance of this currency, right? So you can see I've sold $10 worth of an altcoin here called Litecoin, and I have $9.01. Now, there will be a fee when you sell a cryptocurrency. There will not, however, be a fee when transferring from your Coinbase wallet to your preferred method, whatever the payment method is. So as you can see here, we have deposit, where we can actually deposit from a specific payment method. As you can see here, we can wire transfer or bank deposit. It really doesn't matter. Or we can withdraw. So as you can see here, the next one is withdraw here. And then the only amount that I can withdraw up to however much I have in my balance. So for me, it's going to be $9.01. And then what I do is I hit the blue or tap the blue continue button here. And then I have multiple options. I can either withdraw directly instantly into my PayPal account for free, or I can withdraw into my bank account, which takes 1 to 3 business days. So again, the PayPal is a little quicker. You get the instant option here, or with your bank account that is linked, again, has to be linked to your account. And it'll tell you here, if you don't have one linked, you can just go to add a bank account here, and then it will walk you through the process of adding a payment method that you can withdraw to other than PayPal or whatever you have on your account. So I'm going to select my bank account, then click or tap the blue continue button here. It'll give you a preview window of, okay, you're going to send this amount of money to this account on this day, how much it is, the fee, which again is nothing, and then go to withdraw now, and that'll take about 1 to 3 business days. And then when we're done, it'll give you a completion request here, and then you can see I have withdrew funds. My balance is now zeroed out, tells me how much I've sent, where I've sent it to, and you are good to go. So again, couple of things to remember here. You need to select your US dollar or your currency here at the top, and then you need to go to the withdraw option here, and you also have to have a positive balance to be able to withdraw. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please help me out by going ahead and liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel for more great technology tutorials just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.